The tech world is buzzing with speculation and tentative leaks about GoPro's next big 360 camera, tentatively called GoPro Max 2. Fans, content creators, and adventure seekers are all waiting to see how this follow-up to the original GoPro Max, released in 2019, will overtake its predecessor. Below, you'll find a detailed breakdown of what we expect, what the rumors suggest, what features may be upgraded, the likely cost, and when we might finally see it in stores. Some parts are based on leaks/patent hints, others on competitive pressures, and some on GoPro's own statements. Background: why there must be a GoPro Max successor. The original GoPro Max came out in 2019, serving as GoPro's flagship 360 degrees camera after the fusion. Since then, competitors, notably Insta360, have been pushing boundaries. Higher resolution 360 video, better stabilization, more user-friendly editing tools. GoPro's Max has had to defend its place in the market, but has also lagged in some areas: frame rate, dynamic range, app workflows. GoPro has publicly confirmed that a successor is in the works. CEO Nick Woodman said there is huge interest, and that whatever comes will be worth the wait. Anticipated release date and timing. Based on sources and rumors. Timing. The most probable launch window is late August to early September 2025. This aligns with GoPro's typical product cycles and with leaked teaser material. Teasers already surfaced suggest that confirmation is not far off. And once a teaser is live, the official reveal tends to follow within a few months. It appears likely that GoPro may avoid waiting until next September 2026 and aim for a fall launch in the US to overlap with the back-to-school/holiday buying period. Timing will also factor in production, supply chain status, and competition's moves. Projected pricing. Price is always crucial. From what we've gathered, the expected retail price, street price, for the GoPro Max 2 is somewhere between $400 to $500. To remain competitive, especially against cameras like the Insta360 X5, which has been announced at $549, GoPro will likely aim to undercut or match certain specs while not going far over this price range. Price may vary by region, import taxes, duties, shipping, and by bundled accessories, battery, mounts, etc. So local price in markets like Pakistan or Europe could be higher. Expected specifications and key features. While nothing is confirmed in full, many rumors